birthday, baby. Wish you a happy birthday. May God bless you with everything. May Babaji give you what you desire. I love you the most, and I wish that you get whatever you desire. And I am fortunate and lucky enough to have you in my life. And not only in this life, I want you to be my partner for coming lives that I have. So fortunate to have a kid with you. Thank you so much for coming into my life and making it worth living. Thank you so much for supporting me in each and everything. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for loving Anaira. Thank you so much for taking care of my family. And thank you so much. I love you the most. And may God bless you.
प्यारी माँ मम्मा, हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये
Nikita, Babaji bless you. Thank you for
Happy
this
birthday.
gift.
God bless you.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Bhabhi. Have an amazing quarantine birthday and happy first birthday with Anaira.
Happy birthday, Didi. Thank you for being an elder sister more than a bhabhi to me. I love you so much. Also, thank you for this most amazing gift.
Hi Di, just wanted to tell you that do you remember those times when you feel sad and me and Angad, we all rush to come and bring a smile to your face? Just remember that it will never change and we are always there for you wherever you go. Wishing you a very, 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 very happy birthday. May Babaji bless you with all the happiness in the world. And now to Noor.
Happy birthday, Didi. Lots of love to you.
Happy birthday Di.
Wish you a very happy birthday नोना. God bless you. भगवान हमेशा खुश रखे आपको, छोटी नोना को.
आपकी बारी. पापा आपकी बारी. बोला happy birthday.
बोला happy birthday निकिता.
बस ठीक बंद कर चलो. ठीक thank you bye.
Happy birthday निकिता.
Happy birthday, Nikita.
Happy birthday, Nikita.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nikita. God bless you.
May God bless you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Nikita. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Dr. Jasleen.
Happy birthday, Nikita. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tati.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have an amazing isolation day. And I hope Anaira doesn't cause you much trouble today. And everybody takes care of Fahad and you get him off today from anything here. I hope you meet soon. So, yeah, enjoy your day.
A very happy birthday, Bhabhi. Wishing you a day which you'll never forget. A day full of joy and happiness. Sending you hugs and kisses.
Hello Nikita. Wish you very happy birthday. Enjoy your day in the lockdown. Best wishes from all of us. Bye bye. Party during.
Hello, Nikita. Happy birthday. कैसे हो? देखो लॉकडाउन में हम स्पेशली गार्डन में आए हैं आपको बर्थडे विश करने के लिए और बादल गरज रहे हैं, बारिश आने वाली है, भगवान भी खुश हो रहा है. और अनायरा कैसी है? अनायरा को आपका उसके आने के बाद आपका फर्स्ट हैप्पी बर्थडे बहुत 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 मुबारक हो. अगली बार हम सब इकट्ठे होंगे. पहले तो अनायरा के बर्थडे पे, अगली बार कोई कंजूसी नहीं, कोई लॉकडाउन का बहाना नहीं, हम अपने आप आ जाएंगे. ओके बाय, एंजॉय.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Nikita. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nikita. Have an amazing one. This one's your first one as a mom. And from now on, all your birthdays are Anaira's birthdays. So enjoy Love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, bale, 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 bale. Oh, happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you.
Hi Nikita Bhabhi, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your quarantine birthday. May God bless you with lots of happiness in life. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Guess who? Happy birthday, Jasleen. Wish you a year of warmth, happiness, abundance, joy, craziness. Stay safe, stay home, and may God bless you with everything you desire. Stay the same. We've been friends since long, and you've been an amazing, amazing, amazing person. And heartfelt wishes. This is your gift, which I'm gonna keep on your behalf. Lots of love and kisses and warmth and hugs, abundance to you.
Happy birthday, Jasleen Didi.
Hi, wish you a very happy quarantine birthday. Have a great birthday with Anaira and love you so much.
Hi Jasleen, how are you? Many happy returns of the day. और अमायरा कैसी है? आदि मासी को विश करो। बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे मासी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मासी।
अदीरा बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैप्पी टूटू। Once again many happy returns of the day. And अंगद, बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है ये। Hats off to you. Bye bye guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Nikita Bhabhi, happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful, stress-free and joyous day. Make the most of this quarantine, and I just can't wait to meet Anaira. I hope to meet soon. Enjoy.
Hi Jasleen, wish you a very happy birthday. Yay, first June. You know मैं बचपन में हर साल भूल जाती थी, पर मैं नहीं भूली, so congratulations. मेरी सबसे पुरानी और सबसे प्यारी दोस्त है. So wish you all the happiness in the world. और इस बार तेरा बर्थडे वैसे भी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल है ना, because you've got Anaira with you. So बहुत अच्छे से बर्थडे मनाना. Wish you all the happiness. ठीक है, bye. Zoro and I have a very weird bond. मैंने इसको बहुत एक्सप्लॉइट किया है, इसको बहुत गुस्सा किया है, इसको बहुत टॉर्चर किया है. बट देन शी, अगर आज मैं इफ़ आई लुक बैक, आई रियली मिस हर नॉट बीइंग देयर, नॉट बीइंग अराउंड फिजिकली, ऑल्दो शी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर इन माई हार्ट. एंड कोई सेंटी बात नहीं है, शी नोज़ व्हाट इट इज़. मैंने इसके साथ बड़ा रूड बिहेव किया है, बहुत गुस्सा किया है, बहुत लड़ाइयाँ की हैं. एंड अमंग्स ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स मुझे लगता है मैंने इसे टॉर्चर किया है, बट शी इज़ बीन देयर हमेशा एंड फॉरएवर. आज इवन इफ़ आई से ईशा, अंकित, इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स थे, पंचाली, but the one who I miss the most is Zoro. Thank you for being there. Thank you for loving me when I did not deserve it. Thank you for actually dealing with all my tantrums. मैंने कभी तारीफ़ें नहीं करी, कभी नहीं की. But now that she's a mother, I am a mother. I know कि मुझसे अच्छी upbringing she will do.
Dear Nikita, on this special day of yours, I pray that Babaji showers you with all the joy and happiness that your heart desires and can contain. A million magic wishes to you, darling. Special credit for making us proud Dadima of our beautiful Anaira. I wish you all the best in your life. You know what? My favorite part of your face is your smile. So I wish that it never fades away. Have a grand day and the grandest year ahead. Love you, darling.
हेलो भाभी, हैप्पी बर्थडे. भाभी आपकी अलमारी साफ कर दूं?
भाभी कुछ काट दूं?
वी लव यू भाभी.